I've been watching some of my old YouTube videos and wondering, where do I go from here? When my mom passed, I realized that we really didn't have a lot of her life documented, and I sure wish we would have. I wish we would have had more of her stories in her voice and just her life documented somehow, so that we could go back and reflect on it and remember the stories the way she told them. So that's when I started my YouTube channel, kind of more for my family, my kids, to document my life, just create a vlog of any of the interesting things that I did, my camping trips, my adventures, things maybe to tell my grandchildren later on, and also to inspire other women to get out into nature without fear, and go camping, go on adventures, even if it's by yourself. I haven't been camping as much as I used to, primarily focused on my job, my health, my family, of course, and my little home, trying to fix it up, with just occasional camping and adventures here and there. But with my life changing, I haven't really been inspired to make videos very often. And now I'm at a crossroads. Do I keep the channel going? Do I keep making videos? Will my little boring life still be interesting or inspiring to anyone else? So I'm asking, where do I go from here? What should I do? Maybe you know this feeling too, of having a dream or a vision of things that you want to do in your life, maybe for the next month or 6 months, or maybe even a year. And you have this plan, but as you know, life doesn't always go according to plan. And so you have to pivot, you have to change, make accommodations, and work with it. Just go with the flow, right? And I've always been fairly good at doing that. Changing. There's one guarantee in life, and that is that everything will always change. And of course, like everyone, there are some areas in my life that I need to work on. I need to improve, my health being one of them. And I've been focused on that last year, and I could do better. And I know that I could. And so one of the focuses that I want to change for this year is, of course, my health. And I love to work in the garden, so I really want to focus on that as well. Spend more time there. It helps me with stress, and I just love being in nature. And that's one of the next best things to camping, I think, is being out in my garden. So maybe my channel might change a little bit. Maybe my videos will be a little different topics, but still my crazy, mixed up, fun, adventurous, wonderful experience of life. And maybe I'll continue to take you along. We'll give it a try. And maybe I'll still give my kids something to watch and look back on, laugh, maybe cry here and there, and watch with their kids. And hopefully I can still inspire someone else, lift someone else up in their day, on their job, in their life, one moment at a time. Keep doing great things, everyone.